Today's tutorial is going to be on how to use the SmartPLS 2. This video series is going to be for absolute beginners. The SmartPLS software is used to calculate or to find out the structural equation model and regression analysis and things like f square, r square. All of these things can be easily done with the SmartPLS software. You can do this with SPS software, but the SmartPLS is very user-friendly. Now, this video is just going to be a brief introduction. I'm not going to show you how to download and how to use it, but I just want to give you a brief introduction to what this series is all about, what this video is all about. The SmartPLS software has two versions. The first one is the older version is the SmartPLS 2, and the newer version is the SmartPLS 3. In this series, I will be showing you how to use the SmartPLS 2. Now you might be asking, why don't you show us the updated version, the SmartPLS 3 version? Well, the SmartPLS 2, the thing about SmartPLS 2 is a lot of people need guidance in how to use this. The second reason is it's very popular. The third reason is it's 100% free. You don't have to pay a single dime for this. But I've seen my friends, when they download this for the first time, they do need a lot of help in how to actually use the software, how to install the software, where to find the code, the registration code, all of these things. A lot of people get confused, so I decided to make this video in response to that. Now, on the other hand, the SmartPLS 3, let me just show you what it looks like. The SmartPLS 3 is the latest version. It's much more user-friendly. It's very simple and easy to use. But the problem is, it's not free. It is free for 30 days, but after that, you will be required to make a purchase. Fortunately, the student version is free. However, once your data crosses 100 units, you will be required to get the professional version, because the software will not allow you to make use of the software if your data exceeds 100 units. But I will make a separate video on how to use the version 3. So let me just show you what the SmartPLS 3 looks like. So this is what the SmartPLS 3 looks like. It's very simple. It looks very cheerful to look at. It's also very easy to use. So this is what it looks like. And the SmartPLS 2 looks exactly like this. It's the same thing. Both the versions are almost the same, just some slight variation. So that's it for the introduction of this video. In the next video, I will be showing you how to download and how to install this SmartPLS 2 software. So thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and please do give us some comments, what you think, what you want to know about this software. Until then, take care.